Hello world and hello YouTube. Welcome to the channel. What are we going to be talking about today? Today we're talking about the Arduino.
This will be an introduction to the Arduino series. Ideally, this series will not only teach you the fundamental capabilities of the Arduino, but more so how to apply these skills to build your own projects. We'll be starting from the very basics and eventually moving on to more advanced topics and more hands-on material.
So why learn Arduino? Arduino is a fun to learn, affordable, and incredibly useful way to integrate computer science and electrical engineering. Projects are very applicable to the real world and can serve as a great learning medium for middle schoolers all the way to college undergraduate curriculum. Step one in learning Arduino is to get your own Arduino. You can do this by purchasing just the board here, but that's not going to give you a lot of capabilities to do anything. What I would recommend is going on Amazon or a similar site and purchasing a starter kit. I'll link one of my favorites in the description below.
Step 2 is going to be downloading the Arduino software from the website. All you have to do is Google download Arduino software. You'll click on the main link that says Arduino. All you have to do is click on the desired platform for which you'll be working with. For me, it's going to be Windows. Once you click download, you're good to go.
I'm not going to be clicking download since I already have it set up on my machine. And there you go, you're all set up. Thank you all very much for watching. Tune in next week and we'll be setting up your first circuit. Until next time, see you then.